In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell event tickets on Wix. It's a straightforward yet powerful tool that allows you to manage and sell tickets directly from your site. Let's dive right in. First, start by opening the Wix website editor. It's your main hub for designing and publishing your website. Once there, head to Add Elements on the left-hand menu. This is where you'll find all the features and sections you can incorporate into your site. The next step is to click on the Events section. This lets you choose various templates and settings specifically designed for event organization. Choose a template that suits your event's vibe and branding, a crucial step as this is what visitors will see first. After adding the template to your site, click it to open the menu settings. These settings will allow you to customize details specific to your event. Look for the Manage Event option and select it. Here, you'll have control over creating every aspect of your event. To add a new event, click on Add Event. This will open the event creation window. Make sure you tick the Ticketed Event option as this will enable ticket sales. Now, navigate to the General Info tab. Here you enter the event name, a short teaser description, and select appropriate categories. This information is critical as it gives potential attendees a quick snapshot of what your event is about. Next, go to Date and Time. This tab lets you schedule your event's start and end times and select the appropriate time zone. Moving on to location, you decide whether the event will be physical or online and specify the details accordingly. Don't forget to preview the map to ensure the location is correctly set. Now comes a visually impactful part, adding the event image or poster. Head to the Event Image section to upload media that captures your event's essence. Select your image and click Add to Page. It's a nice touch that can grab attention and entice viewers to learn more. Once you have everything set, click on Create Draft to prepare for the final touches. In this draft phase, you'll finish setting up your event, where you're able to create tickets, customize the checkout form, and set up payment methods, completing the setup for attendees to purchase tickets smoothly. In this tutorial, we'll focus on creating tickets. Head to Create Tickets, then fill in the ticket info, including name and pricing. Don't forget to set the ticket quantity and advanced settings like the sale period. Once you've configured everything, simply click Create Ticket. Finally, click Preview to see everything come together and ensure it functions as expected. You've successfully created and set up event tickets on Wix. You've now transformed your Wix site into a ticket-selling powerhouse, ready to receive bookings and manage events seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and happy event planning.